Ever pondered what would happen if you found yourself in outer space without a spacesuit? Imagine the vastness of the cosmos, its mysteries waiting to be unraveled. But space is a harsh mistress. It's devoid of oxygen, filled with extreme temperatures swinging from blistering heat to freezing cold, and saturated with radiation. It's not exactly a walk in the park, so without the protection of a spacesuit, how could the human body possibly survive? First, let's talk about the most vital element to human life: oxygen. In the void of space, oxygen is non-existent. The moment a human is exposed to this environment, the body undergoes a process called hypoxia. That's a fancy term for oxygen starvation. As your lungs attempt to draw in non-existent air, you'd feel a burning sensation in your chest. The lack of oxygen would also throw your nervous system into chaos. Your vision would blur, you'd feel dizzy, and your cognitive functions would start to slow. Interestingly, despite the sudden drop in oxygen, your body wouldn't instantly perish. The human brain is a resilient organ. For a brief period, it can function on the oxygen already present in the bloodstream. However, this borrowed time is painfully short. In just 15 seconds, without oxygen, consciousness is lost. But that's not all. The next major hurdle your body would face is the pressure change. Imagine this: you're under the vast, limitless expanse of space. The atmosphere that once enveloped you is now gone, and with it, the familiar pressure that your body is accustomed to. Suddenly, you're in a vacuum, where the pressure is close to zero. Now, what does this mean for your body? Well, it's a bit gruesome. The lack of atmospheric pressure would cause the fluids in your body to boil at a much lower temperature. That's right. Your blood, the fluid in your cells, they could all start boiling, even though the temperature hasn't risen. This isn't like a pot on the stove, it's a chilling reality of what space can do to an unprotected human body. Now imagine your body undergoing this transformation. It's not a pleasant thought, is it? So, with the pressure change, your body might boil from the inside out. But there's still more. Lastly, let's consider the radiation and temperature extremes in space. Without our planet's protective atmospheric blanket, our bodies would have to face the full brunt of solar radiation. This radiation isn't just a one-time affair, it's a constant onslaught of high-energy particles that can damage our cells and DNA, potentially leading to serious health issues such as cancer. Now let's talk about the temperature. Space isn't like your typical sunny day or a chilly winter night. It's the ultimate extreme. If you're in the sunlight, you could be subjected to temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. But step into the shadows, and you're suddenly in a freezing environment that can drop to minus 250 degrees. That's a 500-degree difference, just a step away. So, there you have it. Oxygen deprivation, pressure change, radiation, and extreme temperatures. Space is not a friendly place for the human body without a spacesuit. So, what's the final verdict? The cosmos, while breathtaking, is a hostile environment for the unprotected human body. Oxygen deprivation would render us unconscious within 15 seconds. Rapid pressure changes could cause our bodily fluids to boil at normal body temperature. And let's not forget about the harmful radiation and extreme temperature fluctuations. A spacesuit is vital, serving as a life-preserving shield against these harsh conditions. Next time you gaze at the stars, remember, space is beautiful, but without a spacesuit, it's deadly. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Cosmic Curiosity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Universal Factz.